Welcome to Best Choice. The best cooking apron men is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of kitchen gear for any home cook, especially for those who want to keep their clothes pristine while tackling culinary challenges, whether it's a messy barbecue, a delicate baking session, or a vigorous cooking experiment. This versatile garment not only protects your attire from spills and stains but also adds a touch of professionalism and personality to your cooking ensemble, making it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Wilwell Chef Apron, large, durable, and comfortable. Tired of stubborn grease and food stains ruining your outfit? Our Teflon-coated polyester apron acts as your ultimate shield against water, oil, and dirt, keeping your clothes pristine. Cook with ease thanks to its practical design. It offers a generous size, an adjustable neck strap for a perfect fit, and two large front pockets to keep your essentials close at hand. Never be without your tools again. The dual front pockets are perfect for storing everything from utensils and recipe cards to your phone or a kitchen towel. Experience superior durability with our high-quality Teflon-coated polyester fabric. It's not only 3 times more durable than others but also incredibly soft and comfortable to wear. Keeping it clean is simple. This apron is machine washable, wrinkle-resistant, and won't shrink, ensuring it's always fresh and ready for your next culinary adventure. What we like. If you're tired of stains ruining your clothes, this apron is for you. Its water, oil, and stain-resistant material offers excellent protection. If you need a large apron that covers from chest to knee with ample pocket space for your essentials, this is a great choice for everyday cooking. What people say. Keeps his clothes clean and fits well. He is 5 feet 10 inches. Great fabric that worked great with the Cricut iron on vinyl. Solid, well-made apron that protects my clothes from high heat while grilling. Number 4. Chef Works Unisex Memphis Bib Apron. Introducing the Memphis Bib Apron from Chef Works. Designed for both durability and comfort, it's perfect for any culinary professional. This apron features a unisex design, ensuring a great fit for everyone in the kitchen. Its practical style makes it a versatile choice. Elevate your kitchen attire with this essential piece. It provides the protection you need while maintaining a professional look. Enjoy the ease of wearing and cleaning this apron. It's built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen environment. Trust in the quality of Chef Works. This apron is a testament to their commitment to providing reliable kitchenware. What we like. For those who value a professional appearance in the kitchen, this apron offers a sleek and stylish look. Its design ensures a comfortable fit, making it ideal for long hours of work. If you're a chef or a culinary professional who wants to look good while working, this is the apron to consider. What people say. It has a divided pocket at the top to hold pencils and marking tools. It has a second chest pocket that holds a small notebook and 6-inch rule. There is a very large pocket that runs across the front of the apron, and a smaller pocket within the large pocket that is perfect for holding a cell phone. The apron itself is of very good quality, and is well made. The denim is neither too heavy nor too light. The ties around the neck and waist are wide and plenty long, which makes for a more comfortable fit, especially around the neck, which bears much of weight of the tools. Number 3. Mignongirl Crossback Chef Apron. Experience the difference with our chef apron, crafted from 100% soft cotton. It's designed for durability with reinforced pockets and stylish hardware. Say goodbye to neck pain with the crossback strap design. You can easily adjust the soft cotton straps for a comfortable, personalized fit. Keep your essentials close at hand with multiple large pockets. Perfect for your phone, tools, or notes, making your work more convenient. This apron is ideal for a wide range of activities, from cooking and grilling to gardening and crafting. It's perfect for both professional and home use. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day guarantee. Please note, this apron is hand wash only. Add it to your cart today. What we like. If you suffer from neck pain due to traditional apron straps, this crossback design is a game changer. Made from soft cotton canvas with reinforced pockets, it offers both comfort and durability. This is perfect for home cooks or professionals who prioritize comfort and a stylish, robust apron. What people say. Great quality, heavy duty. Fits well, my husband likes the crossback strap so it doesn't slide off. Comfortable for grilling and the size is easily adjustable. The material is exactly what I wanted and its pockets are perfectly positioned. Super easy to clean. Works great, keeps clothes clean and dry. Pockets are a good size and useful. Number 2. Hudson Durable Goods Chef Apron. Introducing the ultimate apron designed for culinary enthusiasts. Whether you're in the kitchen or at the grill, this is your perfect companion. Crafted with professional-grade durability, it's built to withstand the demands of any cooking task. Experience comfort and protection like never before. From sizzling steaks on the barbecue to gourmet creations in the kitchen, it offers reliable coverage. It's versatile for all your culinary adventures. Trusted by professionals, this apron combines functionality with a sleek design. Elevate your cooking experience with superior quality. Invest in a tool that matches your passion for cooking. Discover the difference that professional-grade craftsmanship makes. What we like. This apron is built for serious cooks and grill masters. Its professional-grade construction ensures it can handle the toughest kitchen or barbecue environments. If you're looking for a reliable, durable apron that can be used for everything from cooking to grilling, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The apron is made of durable denim material. It features adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. Multiple pockets are included for convenient storage of tools. Number 1. Hudson Durable Goods Waxed Canvas Work Apron. Experience unparalleled protection with our heavy-duty waxed canvas apron. It's designed to withstand the rigors of demanding jobs, offering water-resistant, oil-proof, and dirt-proof coverage. Keep your essential tools organized and easily accessible. This apron features multiple pockets, ensuring everything you need is within reach while you work. Crafted for comfort, it provides a secure yet flexible fit. You can move freely and work without restriction, even during long hours. Made from high-quality waxed canvas, it offers exceptional durability and resistance to water and dirt. This ensures it stands up to daily wear and tear. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this apron is perfect for a wide range of tasks. Its versatile design makes it an ideal companion for any project. Designed to fit everyone, it features an adjustable crossback design for a personalized and comfortable fit, accommodating sizes up to XXL. What we like. For the DIY enthusiast or the serious craftsman, this apron offers unparalleled protection and functionality. Its waxed canvas is water-resistant, and the multiple tool pockets keep your essentials organized. If you work in a demanding environment like a workshop or a busy kitchen and need a heavy-duty, water-resistant apron with easy access to your tools, this is the one. What people say. Well-placed pockets for all of my most important woodworking gear. It's made from heavy-duty canvas as the description says and really feels like a good layer of protection. The canvas is very thick and ought to be durable. The stitching is excellent, not a thread loose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.